What's up, everybody? This is Brian Pfeiffer, marketingmeathead.com, and today I'm going to expose Yelp and tell you why you're not going to want to advertise with them. All right, welcome back. So I've done a video on this before, and it wasn't exactly on this, but I started running Yelp ads because they had like a $300 certificate and whatnot. I figured I'd give it a shot. So I have 4 businesses. They all kind of have a little bit different niche in Las Vegas here, and basically what I wanted to do was just use up the $300 in ad credit, give Yelp another chance with their advertising platform, and just see if it generated me any quality leads. And if it did, maybe I'd consider spending some money and continuing on with an ad campaign with Yelp. But here is the good stuff. All right, well, if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you subscribe to this channel. Go ahead and leave me a comment below if you advertise with Yelp, or if you got value from this video, I'd appreciate it. And bang that notifications bell. And if you're new to the channel, leave me a comment below. I'd like to welcome you to the channel. All right, so here it is. A lead came in today. This was Spencer came in, and he said he's got a bachelor party coming up. Now, keep in mind, I spread the $300 out over 4 different Yelps. So each account has $300. So it's $1,200 in advertising. And I put it at 18 bucks a day on each account. So there's like a enhanced listing, which means that other ads won't show on my listing. That's called an enhanced listing. And you have to pay $3 a day for that. And then I'm spending $15 a day in advertising. So basically $18 a day, $300 divided by 18. This is how many days I'm advertising, 16.6 days. And I'm already at least probably 7 or 8 days into this campaign. And each one of the accounts I started right around the same time. All right, and I have 4 different businesses. And so far I've gotten 1 good lead, and she hasn't booked yet. And I probably had like 1 other lead. That's it. Okay, so about half the budget's used up, $600, and I've gotten 2 leads. Terrible. Okay, that is terrible. Let's just say that is terrible. And let me tell you why it gets even worse. All right, this lead came into, notice the company up here, Surreal, Nightlife, and Bottle Service. Okay, that's one of my companies. Had Surreal since I was younger in 2002, and I have a Chicago and Vegas branch. And this lead comes in. So what happens is, I figured this out now because I have 4 businesses and I kind of know what's going on. Yelp, even when you're advertising and paying them, somebody submits a lead off your ad, and guess what they do? They go ahead and give that person an option to submit into 4 or multiple other companies. Okay, so you're paying for the advertising, and now you're getting the click, and that person is now going to have the option to be able to advertise in multiple other companies. And here's how I know this. Check this out. All right, so Surreal, Nightlife, and Bottle Service gets this lead. Guess what? Bachelor Vegas, my other company. Look at this. It's the same lead. Came in this morning, same lead. Exact same lead from Spencer. Okay, get this. That's 1. Gets worse. Look at this. Vegas VIP Services, my other company. Same lead. Came in from Spencer this morning. And on top of that, let's go for 4. All 4 for 4. Bachelorette Vegas, same lead. Came in for Spencer this morning. So most business owners, when you're advertising on Yelp, aren't going to get the availability of seeing the 4 other businesses that are getting those, or maybe it's 5 or 10. I don't know how many businesses are getting this lead that are getting that same exact lead. So you're paying to get that click, and then that lead is going to that quote or whatever is going to like multiple other businesses. It's going to all 4 of mine plus whoever knows how many. So basically, Yelp's just creating all this like unnecessary competition for the ad dollars that you're spending with them. It's absolutely ludicrous. I've never seen such a crappy system in my whole life. And honestly, like, I'm almost like want to stop these ads while they're even still running for free. Like, I don't even want these leads. Like, I'm competing against so many other people. Like, it's like these guys are probably getting hit up by like 10 other companies. And, obviously I have 4 companies, but, my sales rep and I kind of handle all the leads. But it's like, that is absolutely like creating more competition than you could ever want. And you're paying for those clicks. That is absolutely ludicrous. That would be like Google pay-per-click. Instead of, they have like 3 or 4 options on the top of Google, but instead of Google, if you clicked on that first option, Google would give them the option to go to all of them, everybody that's advertising. That's basically what Yelp is doing. So I had to shoot this video just to gripe and show other business owners out there, and hopefully this reaches someone out there before they spend money with Yelp advertising, and just to show you how terrible it is. It's absolutely ludicrous. Like, the last thing you want to do is create a bunch of more competition for yourself, and you're paying for these ads and they're creating more competition for you. Ugh, mind blowing. It doesn't. I don't get it. Anyway, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this little rant today about Yelp. Always think twice here about where you spend your ad dollars. If I was you, I'd spend your ad dollars on Google or even Facebook if your business is allowed to advertise on Facebook. Some of my businesses have adult content and they don't care particularly much for bachelor parties on Facebook. But we are okay advertising on Google. I would recommend you do that first, test that, make Yelp your last resort, and don't spend a lot of money. Maybe test it for a month. If it works for you, great. If not, take my advice and don't waste your time or your money. I'm Brian Pfeiffer, the Marketing Meathead, and if you want to learn how to make money on Yelp for free without paying for ads, I have a little bit of a trick for you here. Go ahead and check out this video over here, and this will give you a ninja method to make money on Yelp without spending $1.